Hi kindergarten boys and girls, it's time for ABC for Kids, Kids ABC Education Activity. Parents, guardians, please subscribe to this channel and allow your kindergarten preschool kids to watch our video for kids and to participate in our alphabet education activities. Now, we will be learning the letters of the alphabet, after which we will be discovering some fun words that starts with the letters of the alphabet. We're going to be using our paint, our red color, our orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, brown color, and pink color. Let's write the letter A. We will be writing the lowercase letter A. The lowercase letter A. You make a big circle. Big circle, like you're writing the letter O, and then you'll put a stick on there. A. The letter A. This is the lowercase letter A. After the letter A, we have the letter B. We'll use the brown color for the letter B. You write a circle again. Then you'll put a stick on there. B. That's the letter B. We'll then write the letter C. We'll use the purple color for the letter C. The letter C. What comes after the letter C? Which letter comes after the letter C? The letter D. We'll use the blue color for the letter D. You make a circle again. Make a circle. Then you put a stick on there. There you have the letter D. D. Which letter comes after the letter D? The letter E. Let's use the green color for the letter E. E. What letter comes after the letter E? The letter F. The letter F, we're going to be using the yellow color to do the letter F. F. There you go, the letter F. After the letter F, we have the letter G. We will use the orange color to write the letter G. You're watching Kids ABC. ABC for kids. Kids ABC activity. That's the letter G. Stay tuned because we will be discovering some fun words that starts with the letter of the alphabet. So you can start thinking of some words that starts with the letter of the alphabet. Phonics for kids. Now we will write the letter H. H. Which letter comes after the letter H? The letter I. The letter I comes after the letter H. We draw a stick all the way down and a dot at the top. That's the letter I. After the letter I, we have the letter J. After the letter I, we have the letter J. J. What letter comes after the letter J? The letter K. The letter K. Here is the letter K. K. Which letter comes after the letter K? The letter L. The letter L. And we are writing a lowercase l. Straight line down for the letter L. Which letter comes after the letter L? The letter M. The letter M. This is a lowercase m. M. Following the letter M, you have the letter N. The letter N. Down and around. The letter N. Then we have another letter of the alphabet, and it's the letter O. The letter O. And the letter O is a big circle. A big circle for the letter O. You guys are awesome. The letter A makes the sound ah. 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 A is for apple. A is for apple. The letter B makes the sound B. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. The letter C makes the sound K. K. C is for cat. C is for cat. The letter D makes the sound D. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. The letter E makes the sound E. E. E is for ear. E is for egg. The letter F makes the sound F. F. F is for family. F is for fish. The letter G makes the sound G. G. G is for goat. G is for girl. The letter H makes the sound it's like you're breathing out real hard. H makes the sound H is for horse. H is for hot. The letter I makes the sound E. E. I is for ink. I is for ink. The letter J makes the sound J. J. J is for jump. J is for January. The letter K makes the sound K. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. The letter L makes the sound L. L. Put your tongue to the roof of your mouth and say L. L is for lamp. L is for laughter. The letter M makes a sound M. M is for mango. M is for mango. The letter N makes a sound N. N is for name. N is for name. What's your name? N is for name. The letter O makes a sound A. A. O is for orange. O is for October. These are the letters of the alphabet. You guys did awesome. You guys did great. You're watching ABC for Kids. Kids ABC. Please support our channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. You help us to continue making more kindergarten kids education video for kids that will educate your preschool kids and many others. So click on that subscribe button. Let's make a positive impact in the lives of kids worldwide. Thank you for your support.